In this video, I'm making a first-person controller and it's not a tutorial. I'm just learning C# without getting any help from an AI. I am using the default character controller. I made the script and attached it to the player. Getting the character moving was really simple. You don't need to do much, just a couple lines of code and you have yourself a fully moving character, which I'm going to admit was pretty simple. Then what I had to do next was getting the gravity to work, which was also simple because you only need to check if the player is on the ground or not and then apply the gravity to the y-axis. I did have a couple of issues trying to get the character to move his head around, like to look side to side, up and down. It was either it was not working or they were inverted, but a few tweaks later, everything was good. All I had to do now was make the player walk to the direction that they were actually facing, because they were currently using the default world axis, which I had to change, and the implementation was kinda easy because I already have a background using the Godot engine, so I knew the implementation. All I had to do was just make it in C#. Next was jumping, which somehow took longer than I expected. Half of the time I lost track of what I was doing because I kept changing values, and the jump one moment was too high, the next the character could not jump at all, but after what felt like forever, I got it working. And this is my very own character controller I made without the help of any AI intervention, which somehow to me is like an achievement because I have no background using C#. That was all I had for this video. Catch you in the next one.